espousing the motto of delivering vibes. This given space has been designed based on the ideas of the students of IIM and Indore Coastal Region, with active participation in planning and also in implementing the post office in the development. And from now onwards, this post office will not only deliver the letters, but will deliver the feelings as well. The allotted small indoor area is being effectively combined with the outside area, just doubling the hangout vibes of Zanzi. The Zanzi post office is just describing beautifully the bond between IIM Zanzi and Postal Department. Following elements have been added in the office, keeping in mind both practically and aesthetically. Cafe area has been designed with a mounted table and chair where the students can enjoy coffee with their Zanzi vibes. A comfortable outdoor sports zone has been provided where the students can enjoy having different games. String hockey, snack and ladders, ludo and chess has been provided here for the enjoyment of students. Also for joyfulness, the guitar has been provided where the students can enjoy and find a soothing vibe here. A counter has been installed with coffee vending machine and water dispenser for facilitating the IIM students, faculty and staff. Mobile charging counter has been developed where the students can avail the charging facility with post office services. Also, the free Wi-Fi services has been provided here. Main indoor post office area contains a MPCM counter equipped with booking services, and a My Stamp printer has also been installed here. The newly designed space contains 3 modified walls. The first one contains the doodle work, the artwork. Second wall describes the animated view design of Zanzi students and post office staff. Third wall contains the Madhya Pradesh map showing the various stampage. A merchandise display corner has been developed showing the various elements of India Post Department, cutouts describing the themes run under India Post Department with Zanzi vibes. A letter console unit has been developed where the students can design and write the letters to their loved ones and send to the loved ones, which will add a vibe to the letters. A comfortable lounge area has been created for the post office users where they can discuss about the schemes running under the India Post. The Zanzi style extension is a workplace, meeting place, creative hub, community corner and proudly a post office.